Here's how to scrape Ticketmaster events with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Ticketmaster scraper from Nutty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press Events in a list. As you can see, we extracted the events in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press More Events. I will do it one more time. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scope for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now press on the settings. Then head to Stored Data. In here you can find the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Events in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.